Business Network. Here again are Liz Clayman and David Asman.
Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year, or some people say Rosh Hashanah.
I was thinking it was
West
that
Coast people
way.
we always do something different in California. It kicks off tomorrow at sundown. Does it?
Yes, it does.
Yes.
Wednesday.
Fake Jew. One company that is sure to celebrate is the largest kosher food company in North America.
And we are joined now by the CEO of Manischewitz, David Yale, for the latest on what to expect this year. Good to see you again, David.
Nice to see you, David.
Thanks for
Liz,
being
thanks
here.
for having me.
Are we out of the doldrums, at least as far as your business is concerned?
Our business has been doing quite well, and you know, it's part of our overall strategy to take the 800-pound gorilla that is Passover and really spread our sales throughout the year with new and innovative products that capitalize on our core user base, as well as expanding the market into the mainstream.
Well, you're sort of the craft of Jewish foods. You've got a whole bunch of different nameplates under your brand.
Yes, we do.
Manischewitz with Rokiach and Carmel, Croydon House, Mrs. Adler's, Goodman's brands. But doesn't it really get distilled down to a couple of days a year? And how do you then make that trail and have a longer tail so that people eat this during the rest of the year and not just Rosh Hashanah or Passover?
That is the key to our strategy. We really want to go deeper within the holiday period and offer up our traditional products to our traditional user base. And then outside of that, really think of it as 4 different segments of the year where we bring out new innovative products that capitalize on the convergence of health and wellness eating trends and kosher purity. And I have an example of that right now where we added those benefits to some wonderful comfort foods. And for example, our new ready-to-serve, all-natural, no MSG chicken soup. Now, what is better for you than Jewish penicillin soup? We're bringing those out right now in light of the Jewish holiday. And in addition to that, you know, you have the no MSG part of it, and then we also brought out as a line extension to our all-natural broths that we introduced last year, a vegetable broth. And what's key to this for our kosher eating consumers is that it's parve, which means you can make recipes that are both meat and or dairy.
Now, you were at Hanes Celestial Group for a while, and
Yes,
Terra chips, everybody loves Terra chips. You can't always afford to get Terra chips because they're quite expensive, but that involved a whole new type of branding, new type of packaging and everything. This all it's new stuff, but it looks like it's in the old packaging. Why did you decide to do that?
Well, it's because of the way people think about eating soups and the way they utilize soups. You have the more traditional can, and then you have aseptic, which is more appropriate for a broth. But speaking of packaging, I just have to tell you, and Liz will appreciate this, 70-year-old product, Tam Tams. We're relaunching it with new 20% more crackers per box, brand new, vibrant packaging, which is surely to get a lot of attention on shelf. And at the same time, we've taken out the trans fats and made it even better tasting than it was before. This has been around for 70 years, and we think we can have an opportunity with new packaging to introduce it to a whole new legion of mainstream consumers.
You can tell what you guys are doing because you go now into supermarkets, and it's not just during the high holidays that you start to see this stuff. And whole wheat matzah, great move. Loving the whole wheat matzah. Some people complain it tastes like cardboard, but you've got the whole wheat movement that people are looking toward. What's next in the pipeline?
I think if you take the whole wheat as an example, we just came out with whole grain noodles. For Rosh Hashanah, very, very popular time of year to make kugels and things like that. And now, instead of just the traditional egg noodles, you have whole grain noodles. So you'll see more and more health and wellness entries into the marketplace coming from Manischewitz, because as the leading kosher company, we want to lead that trend as well.
We haven't even talked about Manischewitz wine.
Well, I know you like to talk about that one.
It was the first wine that I ever had in my life. We served it at home. The first wine was Manischewitz.
Right.
Because it was a little sweet and, you know, it wasn't quite as, it was easier to take for a kid.
We license it to Constellation Brands, so we get a royalty check every month. We're responsible for the trademarking of it, but they actually do the business side of things.
Gotcha.
Well, it's like baking soda. You have to have at least one bottle of it in the house at all times.
For tradition's sake alone.
David, happy holidays.
Great to see you.
Lashana Tova.
Lashana Tova, and to all of our viewers, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It.
Thanks for having me.
CEO of Manischewitz.
Well, with